crack your knuckles right now. Some of you just did, and some of you physically cannot. And that difference is the whole story. The pop is not your bones grinding. It is not a bubble bursting either. Pull a joint apart, and the pressure inside drops so fast that gas tears a cavity open in the fluid. You are hearing a hole being made. Try again immediately, and nothing happens because the gas needs about 20 minutes to dissolve back in. And the people who never manage it? Their joints just do not separate far enough to start it. Now, the part your mother was wrong about. One doctor cracked only his left hand every day for 60 years. Both hands aged the same, and he won an Ig Nobel Prize for proving it.